Hey, Sam Lesson here, one of the co-founders of Fin, and I'm here to tell you what we put together as a special product experience for Mother's Day. For those of you who don't know, Fin is an on-demand assistance service. We use human and computer intelligence in combination to basically make you a super assistant that can do everything from scheduling, buying, booking, anything you would ask a normal assistant to do, we can do on demand with a lot of technology leverage, faster, more efficiently, and the whole 9 yards. So for Mother's Day, we created a special experience, which isn't just for Fin users, actually for anyone. You don't need to be a registered user to use this. It's at fin.com/mom. All you do is come to this page, and our goal is to help you spend more time with mom rather than shopping. So what you do is you enter a request. Any follow-up happens over email, and you're done. So just like having a normal assistant, if you have one just especially trying to help you make great experiences for your mom or mother-in-law or aunt, grandma on Mother's Day, you just put your request in, no registration required, get my mom Mother's Day flowers delivered to Woodland Street, get my grandmother chocolates, keep each under $100, make sure the notes say with love from Sam, and no yellows or pinks on flowers, don't like those flowers. You hit continue. You obviously put in your payment credentials so we can make sure it all happens, start work, and you're done. You can trust that we've got the request, we're processing it, and we'll take care of it and follow up over email with any clarifying questions we might have. But hopefully that can help everyone do something more special with their mom and spend less time shopping for a very important holiday. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.